Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you new facts and things discovered by fans in Red Dead Redemption 2. Number 1. You can see a UFO hovering above Hanny Bethel's at 2 AM, but it eventually flies away. If you shoot the UFO with explosive arrows, debris flies off, possibly from the arrow effect or because the UFO scripting breaks. The legendary catfish was officially mentioned in the Prima guide, but no one could find it in the game through normal means. The stranger mission with Jeremy Gill ends with him getting pulled under by a giant fish, implying the catfish exists. A modder called Mr. Boss FTW found the channel catfish in the game files and made it appear, although it looks like unfinished or cut content. A missing princess from Luxembourg is mentioned on a poster in Van Horn Trading Post. A Rockstar customer support agent claimed the princess is in the game and can be found. A modder called Danny Moss found and played as the princess. Her appearance is different, but possibly justified due to being missing for a long time. A strange file called River Monster exists in the game's files. There was going to be a river monster in the game, but it seems not all much of the data was scrapped early in development. In Mika's mountain hideout, visited during the endgame, if you shoot the boards behind the outhouse, a corpse is revealed inside. Only a few outhouses in the game allow you to shoot out the back panels. This one hides a dark and creepy secret. Near Valentine, there's a tree with cuts way too high to have been made by a normal-sized person, sparking theories of a giant. One user suggested the high cuts are due to trees being chopped during winter when snow was high, which then was revealed after the snow melts. Wearing the Viking helmet increases your chances of being struck by lightning. One player figured out how to guide storms and create a lightning strike map by keeping the skies dark through specific movement. Strange numbers appear on loading screens. Redditor Blue Velvet Frank discovered they're a part of a hidden coordinate system. The coordinates use latitude as letters and longitude as numbers, matching the fast travel train route map. The fast travel map doesn't cover the full in-game world, so the coordinate system only partially applies, making it a cryptic leftover or hidden reference. Who knows? You can sometimes avoid a bear attack by standing still and staring it down, mimicking real-life advice. A bizarre trick called vomit roping allows players to avoid fall damage by making themselves vomit mid-fall. Vomit roping only works if you fall to your left just as the vomiting animation begins. Timing is crucial. The vomit appears to rope down with you during the fall, making the trick look absurd but effective. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!